you ready to stop working in an office and start working from home? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I want to tell you about 5 awesome companies that are always looking for people like you to work from home. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host Aiza. First, I'll tell you a little bit about each company and the jobs they have. Then, I'll talk about why working from home is great and how to get ready to apply for these jobs. Let's begin with dailyremote.com. Alright, let's kick things off with dailyremote.com. This platform is a game changer for anyone seeking remote work opportunities. Whether you're a freelancer, a digital nomad, or just someone looking for a side hustle, dailyremote.com has got you covered. So, what's so great about it? Well, dailyremote.com offers a vast database of remote job listings from companies worldwide. From tech jobs to writing gigs, marketing positions to customer service roles, they've got it all. The best part? You can search for jobs that match your skills and interests, making it easier than ever to find a job you're passionate about. Now, let's walk through how to use dailyremote.com to make money online. First, create an eye-catching profile that highlights your skills and experience. Employers often search for potential candidates, so having a complete profile is essential. Next, use the advanced search filters to narrow down your job search. You can filter by job type, location, and even salary range. This ensures you find the perfect job that fits your needs. Once you find a job that interests you, submit your application and resume. Make sure to tailor your application to match the job description and requirements. RemoteYay. Now, let's shift our focus to RemoteYay. This platform is a goldmine for those who want to explore the world of remote freelancing and gig work. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or have any other skill, you can find opportunities on RemoteYay. What sets RemoteYay apart is its diverse range of gig listings. You can find short-term projects, one-time gigs, or even ongoing freelance work. This flexibility allows you to create a schedule that works for you. So, how can you use RemoteYay to make money online? It's simple. Start by creating a profile that showcases your skills and previous work. This acts as your online portfolio. Browse through the various gig listings on RemoteYay. You'll find gigs for writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Choose the ones that align with your expertise and interests. Apply for gigs by sending proposals that highlight your qualifications and explain how you can add value to the project. The more gigs you complete successfully, the more positive reviews and repeat clients you'll gain. Many remote workers and freelancers earn a full-time income using these platforms. It's not uncommon to make $50,000 or more per year. Some even go on to build their own businesses based on their freelance work. JobTogether.com. It's a job marketplace designed specifically for remote work. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, JobTogether.com has something for everyone. One of the biggest perks of working through JobTogether.com is the flexibility it offers. You can choose jobs that align with your schedule and preferences. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, there's a gig waiting for you. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, making money online. JobTogether.com empowers you to boost your income significantly. You're not limited to a single job. You can take on multiple gigs simultaneously, increasing your earning potential. Truly Remote. Next, let's talk about trulyremote.com. This platform is a goldmine for anyone looking to make money online while enjoying the flexibility of remote work. Trulyremote.com connects you with remote job listings and gig opportunities across various industries. You can work from home, a co-working space, or even from that beach in Bali you've always dreamed of. From customer support to content writing, trulyremote.com offers a wide range of job listings. There's something for everyone here. So, how can you make money on trulyremote.com? It's as simple as applying for the job listings that match your skills and qualifications. Once you're hired, you'll start earning a salary or freelance income. The best part? You get to decide when and where you work. TTEC. What is TTEC? So, what exactly is TTEC? TTEC, formerly known as TTEC, is a global customer experience company that specializes in providing customer support, technology, and consulting services. They've been around for over 3 decades and have a solid reputation. TTEC operates in over 80 countries and offers remote job opportunities to individuals worldwide. These jobs are not only legitimate but also an excellent way to make money online. TTEC offers a variety of job opportunities, but here are a few popular ones. Customer Service Representative. As a customer service rep, you'll be assisting customers with their inquiries, solving problems, and providing top-notch service. Technical support specialist. If you're tech-savvy, this role involves helping customers with technical issues related to products or services. Sales and marketing. TTEC also offers sales and marketing positions, where you can earn commissions for sales or leads generated. Alright, you're probably wondering how to get started with TTEC and start making money online. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Go to TTEC's official website and browse their job listings. Choose a job that matches your skills and interests. Remember, there are various options to explore. Fill out the online application form, upload your resume, and submit it. If selected, you'll go through an interview process and receive training to prepare you for your role. Once you're trained and ready, you can start working and earning money right from your home. TTEC jobs offer a legitimate and flexible way to make money online. Whether you're looking for a part-time gig or a full-time career, TTEC has opportunities that can suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content on making money online.